Negative credit cards, right? We all have them, but guess what? There is a way to delete the negative credit card from your consumer report. Let me show you. So, 15 USC 1681A D2B speaks on any authorization or approval of a specific extension of credit is not included in a consumer report. So your credit card, which is your social security card, that is used under Truth in Lending is defined as a credit card, 15 USC 1602L, right? It defines your social security card as a credit card or credit device. When you move over to 15 USC 1681A D2B, it speaks on authorization or approval of a specific extension of credit that came as a result of a credit card or a similar device. Is not included in your consumer report. This is the law that shows you why the credit card or negative credit card in this end is not a part of your consumer report. You control the narrative so you can get it deleted.